One of Bollywood's most private couples had shocked everyone with a sudden split. After 8 years of what seemed like a picture-perfect marriage, Urmila Matondkar has filed for divorce from husband Mohsin Akhtar Mir. What went wrong in this love story that once captured hearts? What is the age gap, the pressure of public life, the unexpected turns in their relationship, and why no one saw it coming? Actress Urmila Matondkar has reportedly filed for divorce from her husband of 8 years, Mohsin Akhtar Mir. Their marriage, which began in 2016, has officially come to an end, according to court source in Mumbai. The couple's relationship made headlines from the very start, not only because of Urmila's Bollywood fame but also due to their interfaith union and a 10-year age gap. Urmila, a Hindu, and Mohsin, a Muslim businessman and model, tied the knot in a private company in 2016 after meeting at a high-profile wedding 2 years earlier. While the exact reason for their split remain unclear, sources say this divorce does not appear to be on mutual terms. Fans are left in shock as the couple's social media presence often projected a happy, harmonious relationship. Urmila and Mohsin frequently shared glimpses of their personal lives online. Just last year, Mohsin posted a touching tribute to Urmila on their 6th wedding anniversary, thanking her for everything she had done to make their marriage work. The message filled with love and gratitude now stand in stark contrast to the news of their separation. Urmila Matondkar, known for her iconic roles in films like Rangila and Satya, has had to make any public statement regarding the divorce. Over the year, her personal life has been relatively private compared to her profile acting career and political journey. She transitioned into politics in 2019, first joining the Indian National Congress and later moving to the Shiv Sena. Meanwhile, Mohsin Akhtar Mir's acting career saw a few Bollywood appearances before he shifted focus to business. He closely associated with designer Manish Malhotra's fashion label, but little is known about this current venture. Despite the public image of happiness, reports suggest their relationship has been strained for some time, though they work hard to keep those struggles private. The news of their divorce has to surprise to many, especially given their recent social media posts showing no sign of divorce. As we await any official statement from either Urmila or Mohsin, their fans and the Bollywood community are left in disbelief. That's all for now on this story. Stay tuned to TSW News for more updates on this and other breaking stories. Thank you for watching.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News, news that reveal the truth, and visit our website www.topstoriesworld.com.